Hi and welcome back. This practice is a yoga nidra nature visualization, so consume an indica for this or some CBD to help activate your parasympathetic nervous system and assist in this very relaxing practice. If you have a pillow and a blanket to support you as you lay down, go ahead and grab them and find your space. Close your eyes and imagine yourself standing in a forest. The earth underneath your feet is covered in cool moss and fallen leaves. You're comfortably warm. The sun dapples in through the trees onto your skin. All around you are hues of green and brown. Some trees have leaves as large as your head. Some trees have green needles holding dewdrops. The towering tree trunks protect you from the wind, but you hear the faint sound of breeze rustling through the canopy of trees overhead. You gaze up, seeing the treetops waving at you below, welcoming you home. In this space, you gently say to yourself, I am the witness. Take a breath in. 2, 3, 4. And a breath out. 2, 3, 4. Again, breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. The air smells fresh. Each breath in is rejuvenating. Each breath out, you feel your muscles relax. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Red squirrels with bushy tails play and chase each other through the forest floor and up a tall tree. Birds sing sweetly just for you. You gently say to yourself, I am the witness. Straight ahead, you see a small clearing in the woods. A meadow with purple and yellow flowers, kissed by the warming sun and inviting you to lay down. You take a step forward, feeling the soft moss and grass underneath your feet. Breathe in. Breathe out. Each breath you take is accompanied by a step closer to the clearing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Your arms swing gently with each step. Your feet step lightly as if you were floating. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. The flowers in the clearing dance side to side, celebrating your arrival. The grass is tall here, almost as high as your knees. The grass parts, creating an opening that's just the right size for you to lay down. You lower yourself onto the soft earth, cradled by grass and flowers. The breeze is audible and feels delicious as you lay in the sun. Out of your peripheral vision, a family of small deer pass through the meadow. Your body lays so relaxed and comfortable. They aren't even aware of your presence. You gently say to yourself, I am the witness. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. You are ready to leave the meadow. Let your next breath be deeper than the previous one. Wriggle your fingers and your toes. Stretch if it feels good. You can return to this peaceful place at any time you choose. And when you're ready, open your eyes, keeping the calm you just cultivated. Thank you for taking this journey with me. Om Shanti.